Before buying sand for your pool filter, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Intex Sand Filter Pump. The Intex 2800 GPH Crystal Clear Sand Filter Pump really caught my attention with its bestseller badge and a price of $212.99. If you want excellent filtration and convenience for your above-ground pool, this is worth a serious look. This filter pump features a 6-function valve that lets you filter, backwash, rinse, recirculate, drain, and close the system. That versatility is crucial because it means you can tailor your pool maintenance to exactly what it needs at any moment. With a flow rate of 46.6 gallons per minute, it can handle pools up to 17,200 gallons, giving you peace of mind knowing your pool will stay clean even during peak usage. The built-in 24-hour timer is another standout feature, allowing you to set it and forget it with cycles of 2 to 12 hours. That's perfect for busy schedules. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You won't have to worry about manually running the pump every day. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable with basic DIY tasks, it's manageable, and the low maintenance features make up for any installation headaches. This is perfect for you if you have a larger above-ground pool and want an easy-to-use, efficient filtration system. Skip this if you prefer a lower upfront cost, but the value you get here is solid. Product number 2, AquaJoe Filter Sand. Next up is the AquaJoe Premium Pool and Spa Filter Sand, which retails for $29.97. This caught my eye due to its high-quality natural silica and universal compatibility. If you want reliable filtration without breaking the bank, this is a great option. This 50-pound bag of pre-washed, kiln-dried sand effectively captures dirt, leaves, and hair while ensuring smooth water flow. It's compatible with all types of sand filter systems, making it super versatile. This means you won't have to worry about whether it fits your specific setup. Plus, it promotes long-lasting filter performance, reducing maintenance needs, which is a real win for anyone looking to save time. Now, some users mention that it clumps occasionally. But honestly, for the price and performance you get, it's not a deal breaker. Just ensure you're using it in the right conditions to avoid moisture. This is perfect for you if you have any type of pool and want a hassle-free filtration solution. Skip this one if you're looking for a premium product, as this is more about practicality than luxury. Product number 3, Palmetto Pool Filter Sand. The Palmetto Pool Filter Sand comes in at $27.99 and boasts a 4.7-star rating, which really piqued my interest. If clarity in your pool water is your main concern, this is one to consider. It captures leaves, dirt, sunscreen oil, and hair, ensuring your pool remains clean. This sand promotes cleaner water and reduces maintenance, letting you enjoy your pool more without all the hassle. If you're maintaining multiple pools, you'll appreciate that this sand meets the standards for most filter brands. Some users reported it being too fine, leading to quick filter clogging. But here's the thing, as long as you backwash regularly, it's not a significant issue, and the clarity you'll get is worth the extra effort. This is perfect for you if you need something that keeps your pool sparkling clean. Skip it if you want sand that's less prone to clogging, as you might find other options better suited for that. Product number 4, US Silica Mystic White II. At $34.99, the US Silica Mystic White II caught my attention with its high quality and durability. If superior filtration is what you're after, this is definitely a contender. This 50-pound bag of high-purity white silica sand offers reliable filtration for both above-ground and in-ground pools. It's also super easy to store and handle, which is a nice touch. Plus, US Silica has been in the business for over a century, so there's confidence in their expertise. Some reviews pointed out that it can be a bit dusty upon application. But honestly, as long as you rinse it before use, that shouldn't be an issue, and the quality of filtration makes it worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and trusted option for your pool. Skip this one if you're worried about the initial dustiness, as it requires a little prep work. Product number 5, Palmetto 2-Pack Filter Sand. Finally, we have the Palmetto 2-pack swimming pool filter sand for $55.98. This caught my eye because getting 2 bags at once can be a game changer for consistent pool maintenance. If you want to stock up to keep your pool running smoothly throughout the season, this is a smart buy. This sand effectively captures all sorts of debris while maintaining clean and clear water. With its rigorous screening process, you're assured of high-quality filtration that reduces your maintenance time. Each bag fills a considerable area, so you'll have more than enough to keep your pool functioning at its best. However, some users mention that the bags can be bulky and heavy, which might be a hassle for some. But if you're serious about maintaining a clear pool, the quantity and quality here outweigh the inconvenience of handling. This is perfect for you if you want to ensure your pool stays pristine with less frequent refills. Skip this if you prefer smaller, more manageable packages. To recap, we've seen the Intex Sand Filter Pump for its excellent filtration, Aqua Joe for affordability, Palmetto for purity, US Silica for reliability, and the Palmetto 2-pack for stocking up. Each has its strengths and might just be what you need for crystal clear pool water.